Eos Navigator is our next generation estimate management system that's designed specifically to work with the SQL version of Sage Estimating. Building on Eos Explorer's groundbreaking success, Eos Navigator provides the tools that today's organizations need to manage the estimating process across the enterprise. Navigator provides an intuitive experience with a tree, called the navigation pane, on the left, and a workspace containing information on the right. Initially, the project collection shows all the projects. Projects are central to Navigator. Projects are defined by a series of attributes. Attributes can be used to group your projects in the navigation pane. For example, you could organize them by project type or status. While you can find a project in the navigation pane, let's return to the panel and use the search feature. Now that we've found our project, let's open it and take a closer look. In Project Information, we see the same attributes we saw in the collection grid, plus others logically organized. In addition to showing information, Navigator can also provide analysis about the quality of that information. And here are the project totals. These costs are derived from Sage estimates, which are the building blocks of the project. The estimate collection shows the estimates associated with our project. Within Navigator, we can organize estimates by stage. Let's take a closer look at one of the estimates that was recently completed. We see high-level estimate information similar to what's available for projects. Changes you make to this information appear in Sage Estimating. And here are the summarized estimate item and add-on amounts that are derived from the Sage estimate. This chart graphically represents the estimate totals. Notice that we can see everything that's important in the estimate without even opening it. Even if the estimate is in use, the estimate data is available. You can quickly open the estimate in Sage Estimating to view the same information. While you can see overline costs directly in Sage, you can view the same information visually in Navigator. Here we're looking at the category costs for each group phase overline. In this panel, we can drill into the estimate overlines to study the underlying item details. Now that we're satisfied with the estimate, let's go back to the project to finalize the GMP deliverable. Here's the consolidated view of all the GMP discipline estimates. After confirming that the discipline estimates are complete, let's merge them into a single combined estimate. And here's our merged estimate. Let's explicitly select this estimate as the final for the project by clicking the Include in Totals symbol. We can formally approve the estimate before generating the final client deliverable. The approved estimate is now locked. This means it can't be changed after the client receives the final deliverable. Once delivered, you can monitor the project status. You can advance projects in progress to the next stage, publish awarded projects to project management and project history systems, and archive or purge lost projects. Use Navigator to manage your estimate workflow from start to finish with standard processes and permissions. It seamlessly integrates with other commercial software and tools to optimize your estimating experience, all while enabling collaboration for large distributed teams. Want to know more? Please visit our website.